Our first year course, it's called Democracy, Power and Resistance in the Global Age. So it's basically, the course is about what we understand by democracy, because there's a great deal of talk about democracy, but we don't really discuss what democracy means and who is involved, how we make decisions, but more importantly actually how it's related to our everyday lives. And the course actually is interesting because it makes a serious attempt to connect these issues to the lives of students. The course is, it has a lecture. It's like many first year courses at Trent, that it is a 2-hour lecture, and then it has tutorials. So that the lecture is a large lecture class, and then we have 15 to 17 students in each group, divided into tutorials, so that it's a combination of lecture and tutorials and conducted discussions.
The Politics 100 course on global power I thought was super helpful when I was first coming to Trent and deciding if I wanted to major in politics, because when you're growing up, you really think politics is just about Canadian politics, and it's just about who's Prime Minister and who's President in America, and it's a very narrow view. And so this course really opened my eyes to the different facets of what politics is and how it is so relevant in all of our lives. The first year course was a lot about writing research papers, so it was about looking at different texts about different aspects of global politics and really trying to portray that you understand what's going on. And so it's great because you can pick things that interest you in the course and write papers on them. Well, I found the papers I had to write in first year university to be a lot different than the papers I'd written in high school. They were obviously a lot longer, and the citing, bibliographies and this were a lot more extensive than I was used to. But luckily, because it's a first year course, they don't expect you to know exactly how a paper is to be written. So what I love about Trent classes compared to classes I've taken at another university is the size and the way that you can get to know your professors and your teaching assistants, and they know your name and they're there to help you. That is a huge difference from what I saw at the other university I went to. With my degree, I'm hoping to get into the international development field, or even the community development, and kind of awareness, and help people to learn their role in a political society, something different than just voting, but that politics is something a lot greater than that. And that's definitely what the politics program at Trent has made me aware of.